In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Canva templates 2025. Step by step, let's get started right from your web browser. Open a new tab and head to Canva's website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your designs. If you have multiple accounts, double check you're on the one where your design is saved to avoid any mix-ups later. Once you land on the Canva homepage, find the template or design you want to share. You can use the Recent Designs section, search by name in the top search bar, or navigate through your folders if you've organized your work. Click to open the design so you're inside the editor, where all the sharing options are available. Look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Share button. This is the command center for sending your template to other people. A panel will open with a few different ways to share. If you want to send the template directly to specific people, type their email addresses into the field provided. As you add recipients, take a moment to set what they can do with the design. You'll typically see options like view, comment, or edit. For templates, it's often best to avoid giving edit access unless you're collaborating. If the goal is for others to make their own version, a template link works best. You can also share by link. This is helpful if you want to post it in a message, a chat, or inside a course or community. Before copying the link, make sure the access level is set correctly. You can usually choose between options like only people you invite, anyone with the link, and importantly, the type of access those people will have. To truly share it as a template, look for the setting that generates a Use Template link. This ensures anyone who opens it will get their own copy without changing your original design. It's a small detail that saves you from accidental edits and keeps your source clean. Once your access and permissions look right, click Copy Link. You'll get a confirmation that the link has been copied to your clipboard. From there, paste it into an email, a message, or anywhere your audience needs it. Before you wrap up, consider testing the link in a private window to confirm it opens as expected. That quick check helps you catch permission issues before you share it widely. And that's it. Simple, controlled, and ready for your collaborators or clients.